Hello friends, and welcome back. If you dream of studying at Australian National University, one of Australia's top-ranked universities, this video is for you. Today, we'll provide a complete A to Z guide on how international students can apply to ANU, covering admission requirements, documents, English proficiency, scholarships, visa tips, and campus life. ANU is known worldwide for research excellence, high-quality teaching, and a vibrant campus life, consistently ranked among the top 50 globally. Studying here gives international students access to top-notch education, global research opportunities, and a multicultural environment. Canberra, the capital city, is safe and student-friendly, offering career opportunities and rich cultural experiences. Before applying, you need to select the right program, whether it's an undergraduate or graduate degree. Undergraduate programs, typically 3 to 4 years, include bachelor's degrees in arts, sciences, engineering, and business. Graduate programs encompass master's, PhD, and professional programs across various fields like business, law, science, and health. Each program may have specific entry requirements, so always check your chosen program's page carefully for details. For undergraduate students, requirements include high school transcripts or equivalent, English proficiency, and program-specific prerequisites. Graduate students need a bachelor's degree from a recognized university, transcripts, a statement of purpose, and letters of recommendation. Some programs may also require GRE or GMAT scores, so be sure to verify all specific requirements for your desired course. Prepare all required documents carefully, including academic transcripts, certificates, personal statements, and letters of recommendation. Ensure all documents are certified, translated if necessary, and organized clearly for submission. ANU requires international students to prove English proficiency, typically through IELTS Academic or TOEFL IBT. Minimum scores range from 6.5 to 7.0 overall for IELTS and 90 to 100 for TOEFL IBT, depending on your program. Some programs may accept alternative English qualifications or exemptions if you previously studied in English. Applications are submitted online via the ANU portal, where you'll complete personal information, academic history, and program choice. You'll need to upload all required documents and pay the application fee. Always check deadlines carefully, as late or incomplete applications may not be considered. To strengthen your application, start early to avoid missing deadlines and write a clear, authentic personal statement. Highlight achievements, research experience, and extracurriculars, and ensure recommendation letters are submitted on time. Keep copies of all documents for your records. Once accepted, you'll receive an official offer of admission from ANU, a moment of great excitement. Next, accept the offer and pay the tuition deposit to secure your place. Then, apply for an Australian student visa through the official channels. Prepare documents like your official offer, passport, proof of funds, English proficiency, and academic transcripts. You may also need to attend any required medical examinations. Once approved, you can travel to Australia before your program starts, ready for your new adventure. ANU offers various scholarships for international students, including the Global Diversity Scholarship and the Academic Excellence Award. These can provide partial tuition coverage or merit-based financial assistance. Some graduate programs also offer research or teaching assistantships, providing valuable experience and support. Check the ANU scholarships page for eligibility, deadlines, and application details. Before arriving at ANU, arrange on-campus or off-campus housing to ensure a comfortable stay. Attend international student orientation to familiarize yourself with campus resources, clubs, and facilities. Don't forget to open a local bank account and arrange health insurance for a smooth transition. This preparation ensures a smooth start to life at ANU, allowing you to focus on your studies and new experiences. Thank you for watching. If you found this full guide for international students applying to Australian National University helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more study abroad tips. Good luck with your application, and we hope to see you at ANU soon.